Vegetarian and vegan diets for weight loss. Vegetarian and vegan diets are becoming increasingly popular for their health benefits, including weight loss. A vegetarian diet is one that excludes meat, poultry, and fish, while a vegan diet excludes all animal products, including eggs and dairy. Both of these diets can be healthy and beneficial for weight loss. Vegetarian and vegan diets are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eating a diet that's high in plant-based foods can help reduce the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. It can also help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. The key to successful weight loss on a vegetarian or vegan diet is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds will provide the body with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and lose weight. It's important to be mindful of portion sizes and calorie intake when trying to lose weight. Eating too many calories, even if they're from healthy sources, can lead to weight gain. Eating smaller portions and avoiding processed foods can help keep calories in check. Including regular physical activity in your routine is also an important part of a healthy weight loss plan. Exercise can help burn calories, build muscle, and increase energy levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity per day. If you're considering a vegetarian or vegan diet for weight loss, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and support to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need for a healthy lifestyle.